Hey guys, we've got another leak on the GoPro Hero 11. I was hoping everything would come out at once so I could get the full specs for you, but we've got another leak that's kind of big news, so I wanted to share it with you. According to WinFuture, who has leaked the last 2 GoPro cameras successfully, the big news now is that the GoPro Hero 11 Black is going to feature a new 27 megapixel sensor. Now I know a lot of you have hoped for a new sensor, and it looked like it might not have happened when we saw that the GoPro camera 11 was going to have the same shape and size as the 9 and 10. But this good news has come out that it's going to feature a new CMOS sensor. So we don't have the full packaging like he usually reveals, but it looks like it's going to also have 5K at 60 frames per second, 4K at 120. So those are the same video resolutions as the Hero 10. However, I'm expecting that there's going to be a lot better low light features. And because of that extra sensor size, I imagine stabilization is going to get even better than it was before. And I'm also hoping that with the max lens mod, we're going to be able to film in 4K because now there's extra size on that sensor. So that would be a big deal to be able to use that max lens mod with 4K, because on the Hero 9 and the Hero 10 you could only use it at 2.7K. The leak also reveals, as expected, that the GoPro Hero 11 Black is going to use the same battery as the GoPro Hero 10 and the GoPro Hero 9. So that's good news also, because you can use that Enduro battery, which has extended battery life. Now whether they worked on the overheating issues that some people had with the Hero 10 and the Hero 9 is not revealed yet. So it appears that GoPro is doing some slow leaks this year, and I wanted to share this one with you because it is major news about the new sensor. However, I'm not going to keep updating you unless I see something major that's really going to affect you. Otherwise, stay tuned for more videos once the GoPro Hero 11 Black is released, and I'll be sure to help you guys out. Thanks so much for watching, and stay tuned.